Yes, we made it. Yeah. Okay, time to go back to our apartment back in the city of Kota Kinabalu. It will take us 3 hours and 16 minutes, 183 km. The reason why we go off earlier, not watching the sunset, because we do not want to travel in the dark, especially like places like this. So that's all. We'll see you guys back at the apartment. Okay, time now is 8:46. We arrive back in Kota Kinabalu city. Our hotel is there, but we decided to have dinner first. We're gonna have seafood. So let's go makan first. Itu kan yang kondenan juga.
Oke, cool.
Okay, so we decided to take away instead of eating here. Guess we both are too tired. Okay, we are back in the apartment, like finally, and we packed some food. This is salted egg crab, omelette, butter prawn, and kway teow goreng. Okay, so let's eat.